Hello guys, in this lecture I will cover how to create a React app. So let's start. Go to the browser, download Node.js. Node.js download. From this website node.js we have to download Windows installer and download. Downloading is start here. After completing, to show in folder and install Node.js. On double click and install. Next, I accept and again next, next and next and again next and then install. Installation is completed and then finish. To check Node.js is installed or not, go to the command prompt cmd and give the command node-v, version of Node.js v20.11.0. Okay, after downloading and installing of Node.js, we have to download npm, install npm, and also by using npm we can create React app. So its command, go to the browser and search React in VS Code and go to this website React JavaScript tutorial in VS Code. Firstly, we have to download Node.js and then npm and then create React app using npx. Also, we can create React app using npm install -g create React app. This is a global installation. Okay, so if you have previously installed create React app globally via this command npm install -g create React app, then this package is uninstalled and then create React app using this command. Create React app and project name or application my app. Okay, so firstly we have to install npm. To the command prompt and write npm install. This is the command for installation of npm. npm is installed or not by using npm -v. Okay, 10.2.4. Also, after installing Node.js and npm, we have to create React app. You can create React app in two ways, in command prompt and also in VS Code. So I create React app using command prompt. So this command is used npx create React app and my app is a project name. So copy this command. Firstly, in this folder we create new folder mkdir and smp and then go to this folder and create React app using npx. npx is not installed separately because it is come with npm. When we install npm, then npx is the part of the npm. By using npx we can create React app. Copy this command npx create React app and paste here. My app is the project name and then enter. My app is successfully created. We suggested that you begin by typing two commands. First one is cd my app and second command is npm start. Our location is in SMP folder. Go to my app using cd. Type cd and my app. And for running my app project, run this command npm start. Running mode. Okay, in this way our first React project is run on browser. For editing purpose, we have to edit from this file, open folder, and then go to this folder where we created my app. Okay, select this folder and open. Okay, the whole project is open here, and in src we can open our file and we can edit in this Visual Studio Code editor, and also create React app using this Visual Studio Code using this terminal. From here we can create React app. If you like this lecture, then please like and subscribe.